So let's talk about this electric wheelchair that the brand sent over and asked us to try out in exchange for this review. But this thing is really a game changer if you have someone who needs an electric wheelchair. First off, it folds up in like 3 seconds. One person can fold it up. It's super easy. You just push a button on the back and boom, it's done. It's made from really strong aluminum, so it's super sturdy but still really lightweight. I was surprised how easy it was to lift into the back of my car, which is a huge thing if you're traveling or even just running errands. I know that I can get it in and out with no problems. The ride is actually really smooth too. It handles bumps and slopes without a problem, and it doesn't feel jerky or rough at all. It went right over this gravel, this grass, like a champ, no problems at all. The seat itself is surprisingly soft and cushioned, like way more comfortable than I expected for a power wheelchair. You can sit in it for hours and not feel sore or stiff. The cover does zip off if you even need to wash it. Charging it is also really simple. It plugs in just like a phone or a laptop, nothing confusing or clunky. And the battery lasts a long time too, up to like 15 miles on a full charge. So you don't have to worry about it dying halfway through the day or on a trip like out at a theme park. Obviously, that will depend on the terrain and how much you weigh, but for everyday use, it's more than enough. My mom is more of lightweight and smaller, and she handled it like a champ. My dad is about 200 pounds and 5'10". He fit in it just fine. And then my husband is actually 6'2" and about 270 pounds, and he could use it. It does have a storage bag on the back of it, so the person pushing can keep their phone or keys or whatnot in there. And then there's also a bag underneath of it, right next to the battery, so you can throw the charger in there and know that it's in there for you if you need it. And you can fold it up with things right in the bag or right in the bag below with no problem. It's also got all these great features like electromagnetic brakes, anti-tip wheels, shock absorbers, so it always feels super stable. And the joystick is really responsive even in tight spaces. It can turn on a dime, which makes getting around indoors a breeze. Honestly, it just feels like someone actually thought through all the little things that make a big difference on a power wheelchair. So if you're looking for something dependable, comfortable, and easy to use, this one's totally worth checking out. It definitely will work for us. I hope it works for you too, and I hope this video helps.